Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil, and today's video is all about a VW Amarok that we've upgraded with a completely custom lighting solution. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. You might have already seen this vehicle featured on our channel, not only for the custom sound system, but also for the actual laser lamp install as well. But today's video is all about something completely different. It's about custom lighting and how we've actually added that onto the vehicle. It's a completely unique way of doing it, so let's get started. Our customer needs to stay safe on the road while working, so that's exactly why he needed this amber lighting solution, but didn't want to have something a bit more of an eyesore. So what we've actually done is really discreetly installed a full custom lighting solution with a full amber package. We can do this in a variety of different colors, and you would have seen previous videos on our channel with loads of different upgrades. We've even done it on Lamborghinis as well, guys. In terms of what this system is, we've actually going start to finish. We'll start at the front of the vehicle. Inside these headlights, we've got one amber light, which is actually mounted into the existing cluster itself. Then in the fog light down at the bottom lower in the bumper, we've also got another light mounted inside the fog light. Then we've got 4 lights that sit across the front grille. Again, we've done this in a unique pattern that resembles a nice look of the vehicle, but also adding that functionality to keep our customers safe. And you would have seen, if you want to check this out, the laser lamp install, which is a high beam and DRL lighting solution. Link is up here, guys. It is well worth a watch. We've also added in side coverage. The way we've done that is actually mounted a light underneath the actual wing mirror itself, directing straight down, so not going glaring into the actual light itself, but again, a very discreet way of doing it, plus giving that side coverage, protecting the vehicle as well. For the rear glass and this rear coverage, what we've actually added on is more lighting onto the back. This is mounted on the inside of the glass in fully custom made 3D printed brackets that house the lights, actually mount them onto the glass, giving a really clean look when the lights are off and when it's daytime when you can see straight through, but also giving a really effective light transfer out into the vehicle. Last but not least, towards the back of the vehicle, how have we added the lighting in here? Inside the actual cluster, again, we've added another light that sits inside the actual cluster itself. And then we've got 2 lights that sit along the bottom. This is again giving rear coverage. Now we've got full 360 amber light coverage on the vehicle. You might be wondering how the system is actually operated. Obviously, in the video, the vehicle's not been on, so the system is wired from what's called a permanent. So you can have the lights on whether you have got the engine on or whether you're parked up and the keys are out of the ignition. So you've got a very limited draw on the vehicle's battery, but you can also stay safe if you are on the move. In terms of what the system and how it actually works, we've actually removed one of the blanking switch and replaced that for an OEM style looking switch that has a little beacon on it. All you do is you click that, you've got illumination on there, which looks really cool. Plus the lights obviously turn on so you know they're active. In terms of the solution, it's all wired into the vehicle. Obviously, as you guys know, to the highest possible standard. Everything is a soldered connection. All of the seals that we've made are all completely sealed up, as well as the fact we've also used conduit and cable ties throughout the whole install to run side along manufacturer wiring to make this install safe and also look incredible. And we're all wrapped up here on today's video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And if you are interested in having something like this done on one vehicle or your entire fleet, we have space for around 50 vehicles to be worked on at one given time. If you're new to our channel and haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below, but get in touch with us and we can go through everything in a load of detail. But these lighting systems do involve a consultation where we sit down with you, design and spec the system so we get it inch perfect for you. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.